welcome back to another video. I'm finally trying to make a comeback on this here YouTube, and I'm going to do a hair video. So this year is about keeping my hair done. That's one of my goals. 2025, keep your hair done, sis. I'm sick of walking around here looking like somebody's mama. I want to be somebody's cute mama. So we keeping our hair done, and we're gonna try to be DIY girlies. Because the DIY girlies be eating and saving their money. I used to be a DIY girly. Then I got spoiled, started getting my hair done. Then I forgot how to do my own hair. It just, life be life. And okay, with 2 kids, I can't do both their hair and my hair. So guess who get left looking ugly? Me. That's okay. 2025, all of us keeping our hair done, including me. Okay? I'm not going to be the only one. But anyway, I'm going to do a half up, half down, like a braid style in the front, half braid, half curly hair in the back, quick weave. I've done a quick weave 2 other times before now. First time, absolute fail. Yeah, they slid right off my head before I even glued all the tracks down. Yeah, second time, it was cute. It lasted a little while. I think I did curly hair. I got some hair off Amazon. It was not good hair, so it lasted about maybe 2.5, 3 weeks, and I took it down. I kind of rushed through it, but this time I've been watching some videos. I have been just trying to, become a DIY girly and do my hair myself. So we're gonna go for it today and do this quick weave. I just washed my hair. Let's see what's giving. Oh, okay, it's giving. I need a relaxer real bad. Yeah. Where's the scalp? I don't, you see it? Okay. Yeah. But anyway, I'm going to put in some leave-in conditioner, and probably a little bit of oil on my scalp, and then blow dry and get this party started. All right, y'all. So I am so sorry I did not record when I put my cap on and sat under the dryer. I don't know why I thought I did, but I didn't. But anyway, I will record another video showing how I laid my cap on my head. But here I'm just showing where I'm placing the tracks, measuring and gluing them up on my head, and we're just gonna go row by row all the way up until we get to the top with where my cap ends. And y'all, I did not want to hold the dryer, or the blow dryer, so I just put my little sit under dryer right next to me, and I put my head under there. Real ratchet, but it's okay. I wanted to hold both ends of the track down while I dried it, so excuse that, but it worked. So now I'm just going to play the rest of the video, and then I'll pop back in when I'm doing something different, just to give you a little narrative of what's happening. So right here, I'm just clipping the back down, so whenever I do the front, it's not getting tangled up in the ponytail. And I'm gonna straighten very lightly my hair throughout the top so it'll lay down flat whenever I do the ponytail. I'm not doing it like just like really good or really flat because I have a relaxer, so it doesn't take that much to flat iron. So you kind of just have to figure out what your hair does. If it's super thick, you'll probably want to get it a little better than I'm doing, get a little straighter, I mean. But I'm just quickly running through getting it a little bit straight just so the ponytail will lay flat how I want it to. So now I'm just going to take my beeswax and start molding the ponytail how I want it before I use my holding spray to lay everything down and blow dry. So now I'm using my Gots to Be spray, and I'm gonna do it section by section. So I spray a little bit and comb it through, and then I use the blow dryer to dry it so it doesn't move, and then I move to the next section. And I also like to put a rubber band on my hair just to keep it in place where I want it, and then of course we're gonna take it out and make it tighter. But I'm just gonna go section by section doing this part until I get to the other side. So now that I've molded everything down, I re-tightened my ponytail, and now I'm just going to do my baby hair so I can lay that part down, lay my hair down, while I put the ponytail, the actual hair on my ponytail to create the final look. And I like to use edge control. A lot of people I've been seeing lately just use their Gots to Be spray. They curl their edges and use the spray to lay it down. I just feel like for me, I just don't be wanting to spray that stuff on my head, on my forehead, and I can just relay it down if they come back up. I don't know. I'll try it, but I still put a little bit of spray on there before I actually put my paper on to lay my edges down anyway. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing. And next, you're just going to see me wrapping the paper around the ponytail so I can glue the hair onto my ponytail. And yeah. So now that I put my molding paper on, I'm going to braid my ponytail and rubber band it. And I'm going to fold it under because I don't want the ponytail to be that long. So when I'm folded in half, rubber band it, and then put some more molding paper around the ponytail, and then start to glue my tracks from the bottom, or I guess maybe the top of that ponytail all the way to the base. So here I like to put a rubber band around the base of the paper so it doesn't slide off, because baby, that has happened before. And then I like to put glue on the paper instead of on the track, just because I can wrap more if I put it on the paper instead of just trying to put the glue on the track. It's just easier if you just go ahead and put it down the paper and wrap as many times as possible. So right here, I wanted the ponytail to be a little bit thicker. So I had to wrap around the base a few times, and I put the glue on the track to avoid getting it on my hair. But I just wrapped it a few more times just till I got it to the thickness that I wanted it. So now I've cut the paper off, and I'm gonna take a piece of the hair from behind the ponytail to wrap around and hide the tracks. I definitely, with curly hair, any hair probably, want to straighten it just so it'll lay down flat. And make sure you comb it out. And then I'm just gonna use my spray to wrap it around so it'll hold. And clip your ponytail up so it'll be out the way and it won't affect how you wrap your hair. This is the easiest way to do it, so it's sticking straight up and your ponytail won't move. And this is the final look. I think it came out so cute. It was exactly what I wanted. I did want to do the braids in the front, but I just didn't have time for that. The kids were coming in there bothering me, but this is the final look. Let me know what you think below. Tell me what you would like to see different, or maybe what I could include. See y'all in the next one.